Hi guys, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm gonna guide you through how to fix Duet lag on TikTok. So TikTok, when it first came out, one of its biggest features was duets. These gave you the ability to record your own video alongside someone else's. So isn't that amazing? You can use it to react people, to create comedic dialogues with your friends, or to show two different perspectives of the same event. You can even do it with yourself. The possibilities are limited only to what you can imagine. So Duet is a great benefit when you are using TikTok. But what if your Duet is lagging on TikTok? If it is, not to worry anymore. We will teach you what to do if Duet lags. So get ready to learn. So let's get into the video. First of all, go to the Play Store. Search TikTok here. Now click on the green button of update so that your app can be updated. Now click on the TikTok icon itself.
Give your husband your hand and
To me. Now click on the three dots that's at the right of the top. Now scroll it and tap on the free up space. Now click on the first option of cache and clear it. Now it says clear cache, so you can tap on clear again. So yes, this is how you can fix your Duet lagging on TikTok. If you found the video to be useful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, and if you have any queries, put it down in the comment section below. So we'll see you on our next video. Goodbye till then.